Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's the Sassy Way here. Are you still looking for gift ideas for the women in your life? Well, check out these last minute self-care gift ideas. Now you can add them to the self-care gift basket from last week's video. You can give them as stocking stuffers or even as the main gift on its own. And the best part is they're super easy to make from things you probably already have in your pantry and medicine cabinet. So let's get started with DIYing this makeup setting spray. For this you'll need 3 parts rose water and 1 part aloe vera gel. Then shake the bottle to mix it well and your makeup setting spray is ready. Now the overnight face masks that I'm going to show you next are inspired by Little DIY here on YouTube, and I'll put a link to her video in the description down below if you'd like to check it out. For the first overnight face mask, you're just going to need 8 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal. Then you're going to mix it well and put it in a pretty container. Label it. Put directions on the back to apply a small amount onto the face and massage it till it is fully absorbed and then rinse off in the morning. You can also write the benefits, like this one absorbs excess oil, detoxifies and purifies your skin. For the second overnight face mask, in 8 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, add 20 drops of tea tree oil, and just like the previous face mask, you're going to mix it well, put it in a container, label it, put directions on the back to apply a small amount onto the face and massage it till it is fully absorbed and then rinse off in the morning. The benefits for this one is that it prevents acne and improves the skin's texture. For the third overnight face mask, you're going to need 8 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. And then same as before, mix it well, pack it, label it, put the same directions as the last two to apply a small amount onto the face and massage it till it is fully absorbed and then rinse off in the morning. The benefits for this face mask is that it hydrates the skin and prevents fine lines. For the fourth overnight face mask, you're going to need another 8 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And again, you're going to mix it well, pack it, label it, add the same directions as the last time to apply a small amount onto the face and massage it till it is fully absorbed and then rinse off in the morning. The benefits for this one is that it repairs pigmentation and brightens your skin. Next, I'm going to show you how to make my 2 favorite lip scrubs that are inspired by Fairlyn Nicole, and I'll put her link in the description below as well. For the first one, you're going to need 8 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of honey, and I initially only added 3 teaspoons of grapeseed oil as well, but then later went back and added 2 more teaspoons. So in total, you're going to need 5 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Mix everything till it comes together and it looks like this. Put it in a container and label it as a sugar lip scrub. The directions for this one would be to rub on the lips with gentle pressure. For the second lip scrub, in 8 tablespoons of coffee, you're going to add 3 teaspoons of honey and 3 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Again, mix it till everything comes together and it looks like this. Put it in a container and label it as a coffee lip scrub. The directions for this one is the same as the last one, and that is to rub on the lips with gentle pressure. And that's it. Both these lip scrubs are good for plumping and hydrating dry chapped lips. And that brings us to the end of our video today. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY gift idea was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.